Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings. Then go to Google Assistant and then click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here to enable Hey Google and now click on More and I agree, then click on More and I agree again and click Next. Now click on Retrain Voice Match Model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Then click Next. And now you can go back and click on Lock Screen. Then click Yes, I'm in and make sure that this first option stays on. And now you can go back. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant worked on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.